So this is how our room looked like before. We didn't have a closet, so we put our clothes beside our bed.
Since we started YouTube, we want to decorate our room to make it look prettier, so let's go. This is the current situation of our living room. We put all our clothes in the living room.
Yeah,
No space.
so that there won't
be dust.
Yeah.
Just in case. So we're gonna put our clothes now inside the new drawer. Yay! Our drawer just came and looks like this inside.
We ordered it through Coupang and it costs $39, right? And the delivery fee and the person, including the person putting it here, is 11,000 for each person.
So for now, our room looks like this. It's quite big, so we cannot see each other's face. And then this is my part. Like, yeah. So far, it's like this. The wall's kind of plain, so we're gonna put some things on the wall. And we put our fairy lights up there. It looks really cute. So now we're gonna cut the papers. Yay! So a lot of people are wondering how much we pay for our rent. So usually there's water and then usually we have utilities to pay too. But it depends on the house that you live in. Some people just pay monthly rent and then it includes the utilities, but then for us it doesn't include the utilities, so we have to pay by ourselves. Per month we pay 1.3 million, right? Yeah, 1.3 million Korean won. But since there's 3 of us living together, we just all divide it like 2-3. No, but since one of our roommate took her own room, so she paid more. She's paying more than us. So we divide it by 40%, 30%, 30%. For us, we pay 390,000 Korean won per month, and for this whole room. This house is quite big. 2 rooms and a living room and then 1 bathroom. But we also have 이게 뭐라고 해야 되나? Balcony. We also have a balcony, or more like a storage. We can put things inside. So I think like 1.3 million is really okay for this house. Yeah, so for utility, usually we pay 20K per month each person. Yeah. Including the gas, the water. Gas, water, electricity. If you guys are planning to stay in Korea or study here in Korea, there's one tip that we can tell you about finding houses and apartments to stay. We use this application called Jikbang. And then you just type what you're looking for in a house, like how big is the house, where the location, where in Seoul, how many people. And it's usually they ask about deposit and the monthly rent that you can pay. So you can choose the range of the payment. And for us, we paid 10 million won for the deposit, and then we divide it by 3. Usually the higher the deposit is, the lower the monthly rent payment is. There's actually a lot of applications you can search for it. It really helps to find the perfect apartment or house for you, and a trustable 부동산 is this is what happened. 뭐였지? 부동산. Yeah. Anyways, if you have trouble speaking Korean, it's better if you bring someone who can speak Korean fluently, because it requires a really advanced, Korean words. Yeah. To understand what the person's trying to say. So it's better if you bring someone who is familiar with Korean. And since it's something that you have to sign, like a contract, and it's really important if you really know all the details, and yeah, make sure you read everything, then sign it. And also, when you move from somewhere to another place, you have to change your location within 2 weeks, or else you're gonna be fined for not changing your address on your alien registration card. So remember, guys, don't forget to change your address. I forgot to do it. Back then I got fined a lot. So make sure you register your new address in your ARC, and then you'll be fine. It's not even at all. Okay, so we finished cutting our pictures, and now we're gonna stick them on the wall. Yay! That was a fail. Bought this from Daiso, 2001 only. So cheap. And we are gonna use this. Which is Taiwan only.
We got 36 piece. It's really cheap.
So we got our inspirations from TikTok and Pinterest. And we printed our pictures also from Pinterest.
So we tried to cut the cost as low as possible, and this is how it turns out. Not bad, right?
Except this one and this one. The others are all the things we already had. So
yeah.
it was not that expensive, to be honest. And yeah, you can still use like things you had before to make your room look cute and pretty.
Hope you guys enjoyed watching us redecorating our room, and we'll see you in our next video.
Bye!